Module Objective. The primary goal of Module 8 is to equip you with deep knowledge and practical expertise in applying HIPAA compliance principles to emerging technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT devices, mobile health, mHealth applications, telehealth platforms, and remote diagnostics. With the rapid digital transformation in healthcare, understanding how to safeguard protected health information, PHI, in these novel environments is critical. This module also addresses cybersecurity frameworks, third-party risk management, mobile device governance, regulatory overlaps, e.g., with GDPR and the FDA, and future-proofing strategies to ensure HIPAA compliance in a constantly evolving tech landscape. Learning outcomes. By the end of this module, you will understand how HIPAA requirements extend to cloud computing and AI systems, analyze the risks and controls related to IoT and mHealth technologies, apply HIPAA's security and privacy rules to non-traditional digital tools, conduct third-party compliance assessments of cloud service providers, CSPs, design mobile device management, MDM, protocols for HIPAA-covered environments, align HIPAA safeguards with NIST, SP 853, 866, and ISO IEC 27701 frameworks. Interpret OCR's guidance on telehealth and digital health apps. Develop policy frameworks for emerging tech compliance. Module content HIPAA compliance in the cloud computing through Infrastructure as a Service, EAS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS, has transformed how PHI is stored, accessed, and transmitted. Key points: cloud vendors that process PHI are considered business associates, BAs, and must sign business associate agreements, BAAs. Covered entities are still responsible for ensuring cloud vendors maintain reasonable and appropriate safeguards. Encryption in transit and at rest is essential. Use HIPAA-compliant CSPs certified under FedRAMP, ISO 27001, or SOC 2 Type 2 for best practices. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in healthcare AI systems analyze medical records, lab data, and even imaging to improve outcomes. However, they introduce risks such as data misuse, bias, opaque decision-making, black box AI, and de-identification challenges. HIPAA considerations. AI tools must be trained on properly de-identified datasets under HIPAA's safe harbor or expert determination method. Transparency and explainability are important for risk management and regulatory audits. Audit trails should be implemented for AI decision support systems. Align with OECD AI principles, HHS AI guidance, and NIST AI risk management framework. Internet of Medical Things, IOMT, and IoT risks devices like heart monitors, glucose sensors, fitness wearables, and smart pills are part of the Internet of Medical Things, IOMT. Risk areas: limited on-device encryption, unsecured wireless transmissions, vulnerable firmware absence of physical access controls compliance requirements, implement risk-based access controls, strong authentication, and firmware patch management. Apply HIPAA's security rule for mobile and embedded devices. Consider FDA cybersecurity guidance for medical device makers. Integrate NIST IR 8259 standards for IoT security in healthcare. Mobile health, mHealth, apps and BYOD mHealth includes mobile applications used for telemedicine, personal health tracking, and remote consultations. HIPAA issues. BYOD, bring your own device, can expose PHI to personal networks. App developers may or may not be considered covered entities or business associates. OCR distinguishes between consumer health apps and regulated health apps. Best practices: use mobile device management, MDM solutions for encryption, remote wiping, and access control. Set BYOD policies with user authentication, minimum security baselines, and role-based access. Refer to FTC's Mobile Health App, Guidance, and ONC Mobile App Developer Tools. Telehealth and virtual care. Telehealth platforms expanded drastically post-COVID. These involve video conferencing, chatbots, remote diagnostics, and remote patient monitoring. Regulatory considerations. During the COVID-19 PHE, OCR exercised enforcement discretion, allowing non-public facing tools, e.g., Zoom, Doxy.me. After the PHE, all telehealth tools must comply with HIPAA security rule, secure transmission, e.g., end-to-end encryption, business associate agreements, BAAs, cross-border privacy issues. Providers must account for data residency laws in the EU, Canada, and APAC, align with GDPR Article 9 for sensitive health data. Third-party risk management, TPRM, CSPs, AI developers, app vendors, and hardware makers must undergo TPRM processes, including vendor questionnaires and audits, BAAs and contractual liability security certifications, ISO, SOC2, HITRUST, continuous monitoring and incident response readiness. Organizations should map out their third-party data flows and maintain a vendor risk registry. Data governance and policy formation for emerging tech. HIPAA compliance must evolve alongside technological innovation. Governance strategies. Establish HIPAA technology compliance committees. Draft emerging technology usage policies. Create data ethics committees to vet AI and big data use. Document policies for device provisioning, incident response, data localization, user consent, and data retention. Alignment with accreditation frameworks, Standard Emerging Tech Application, NIST SP 853 Revenue 5, Controls for Cloud, Mobile, and AI Systems, ISO IEC 277001, Privacy Information Management System, ISO IEC 270018, Protection of Personal Data in Cloud, HITRUST CSF Integrated Risk-Based Compliance for Health Systems, GDPR Cross-Border Processing and Data Minimization. Maintaining compliance requires continuous education, policy updates, and technology-neutral safeguards.